it is Marissa again, and we are here to really uncover more Netflix binges and wine to see, do they pair well? And you all know that I'm going to pair my favorite wine, RedHead Red Blend, with these really out there snacks. So RedHead Red Blend is 60% Zinfandel and 40% Carmenere. The Zinfandel adds a lot of fruit forward and spicy notes to it, and the Carmenere is just fruit forward, smooth, and really fun. So I think the Cheetos might be a standout thumbs up, but we'll see, just because, as I said in the first Netflix binge video, spicy aspects of different foods and spicy wine pair usually really well together. But I think I'm going to start with the salt and vinegar chips. Go big or go home, right? Oops. I'm like the worst at opening bags. I would always ask my mom to do it growing up, but whatever. I got it now. I'm a big girl. I can handle opening a bag of chips. But, okay, so I'm going to get a... See, this one looks like a good size, so you can really get the flavor going on. Really vinegary, but this is the best kind, in my opinion. You know what? I need to have a few more to make sure, because that was like too good to be true. Maybe I need to like have a few just to like really coat my palate with salt and vinegary goodness. Just really build it up. Get really starchy. Because you know, if you eat half a bag, it really gets in your teeth and you can't escape the flavor, but I'll do like 5 chips. Here's the moment of truth. Okay, that is so unexpected. It's like thumbs up, kind of thumbs down, kind of in the middle. I'm like undecided. Was it good or was it just okay? So I'm going to say medium. Maybe, maybe not. So maybe it might be something you might want to try at home to see what you think. I think because like the acidity of the vinegar really paired well with the wine, because RedHead has a slight acidity to it. So usually they pair well together because they cancel each other. They cancel each other out, and you really taste a fruit forward wine. Okay, next, the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Perfect to take it up a notch with this RedHead spicy wine up in here. Oh, okay, that spice went right up my nose. Right, this is a pretty good prototype, I guess. Prototype? First guinea pig. It's definitely heavily coated. You can see there's like a lot of red in the Cheeto, so I might only need to eat 1 or 2. Spicy, but really good. So good for the soul, so bad for your health. Anyway, okay. I know someone's gonna say gingers don't have souls. Well, I don't have a soul, so I can see into yours. Try me. Anyway, moving onward. Okay. Okay, I'm really unsure. Let me pour a little more wine in. Really get this going. The spice of the Cheeto is so intense that's like, you really can't tell. At least for me, like, I love spicy food. Usually if I'm like at a wing place like Wings Over or Buffalo Wild Wings, I order like a spicy barbecue. So I can handle spice. But it's a little overpowering for the palate. So let me see if my second sip is a little better. Honestly, thumbs up. Like, the spice is so intense, like it does linger, but the smoothness of the RedHead Red Blend really coats your whole mouth. and really kind of calms it down, and you really taste some of the fruit forward notes of the wine. So I definitely suggest trying this at home if you like spicy food. If you're not a spicy food fan, definitely swerve from the situation because you're gonna hate me and regret life. So now we're gonna try the peanut butter crackers. If I can open the package. Man, why am I so bad at this? Okay, here we go. So, oops. This is Munchies brand crackers from Frito-Lay. I think I'm just gonna eat the whole cracker just so it coats my mouth again, and we're gonna see how it pairs with the wine. Okay, here we go. Still unsure. Thumbs up for sure. Usually like it takes a second or third sip to really get a well-rounded opinion. I don't know. I think it's maybe the light acidity in the peanut butter, or just the fruitiness, and the peanut butter is a really interesting flavor. I'm a big person on liking wild, interesting flavors, so I'm really into this. So maybe some of you guys may not like it. So if you tried these peanut butter crackers and RedHead Red Blend or a red wine, please let me know. I think it's really interesting. But if I had to vote, I like the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. A RedHead has to have her spice. So definitely really good. And it was definitely something that I wasn't sure, but it was a little shocking. So definitely if you want to live on the edge during your Netflix binge this weekend or tonight or right now, definitely check out the Cheetos. I think it's a really fun pairing, and please let me know what you guys think if you try any of these pairings at home, or if you think of anything else I should try in my next Netflix binge snack video. To see more behind the scenes at RedHead Wine, definitely subscribe below or follow me at RedHead Wine's various social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All the links are below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week's video.